Veteran broadcaster Francois Juste has died. As news of his passing continues to rock the media fraternity and many Jamaicans, tributes are pouring in for veteran broadcaster Francois Juste, who died on Monday morning, August 29. The well-known media practitioner died sometime after 7 at the University Hospital of the West Indies. He was reportedly ailing for some time. Up to the time of his death, Francois was a co-host of Radio Jamaica's morning program, Sunny Side Up with Paula and Porter Jones. They began hosting the program on April 10, 2017. Francois had been a broadcaster for over 3 decades. He joined the team at Radio Jamaica, formerly RJR, in 1984 while completing a degree in physics. His mother, Margarita Juste, worked in media, and his father, Chappie, was an iconic film and video producer and the director of photography. Francois was invited to join the Fame 95 FM team by Don Topping, Norma Brown-Bell, and Hull Plummer, and quickly made a name for himself as one of the bright young stars of the Fame FM 95 family. His ascension was swift. In 1987, he became supervisor of the Fame 95 FM staff. Then in 1991, he was promoted to assistant programs manager, and in 1996, he rose to the position of manager executive producer of Fame 95 FM. In 2007, he stepped up even more, becoming the general manager of radio for RJR, Fame FM, and It's 92 FM. In 2012, he began hosting the Saturday morning show on Radio Jamaica, a prelude to his current position as host of the Sunny Side Up, the weekly morning show. Juste also served his community and was a member of the Rotary Club of Kingston, where he acted as president in 2014.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!